In this video, I will show you how to reset Windows 11 to factory settings without losing data. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, maybe you're having some problems with your Windows 11 PC or laptop and you're looking to reset it to factory settings, but of course you don't want to lose any of your files or data. To do this, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to the search box in your taskbar at the bottom. In the search box, type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Once your settings window has opened, come over to the left hand side. What you want to do is click onto system in this menu, and then what you want to do is scroll down a bit until you see an option for recovery just down here. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you across to another screen like this. In here, under the recovery options section, you should see an option to reset this PC. What you want to do is click the reset PC button, and what that's going to do is open up a window like this. Now from here, you've got two options. What you can do is remove everything, or you can keep My Files, which removes apps and settings, but it keeps your personal files. So because you want to keep your files, what you want to do is click the top option here, and then it's just going to take a minute or two to get things ready. On the next screen, it's going to ask how you would like to reinstall Windows. You have the option for a cloud download or a local reinstall. I would recommend going for a local reinstall, so select that option. And then what you want to do is come down and click next at the bottom. So it's just going to take a minute or two now to get everything ready for you. Once everything is ready, it's going to take you to this screen where it's going to quickly summarize what's going to happen. So as you can see, by following these steps, resetting will change settings back to their defaults. You will keep your personal files, and it's going to reinstall Windows from this device. Also, it's going to remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC. And what you can do is click a link here, which is going to tell you about all the apps that are going to be removed. So to actually factory reset your PC, it can take a while to do. So if you are using a laptop, make sure of course it is plugged into a power source. And then when you're happy to proceed, just simply click the reset button. Once Windows 11 has finished resetting to factory settings, what you will find is that everything is back to how it was when you bought your PC or laptop, but you will still have your personal files. So that is how to reset Windows 11 to factory settings without losing data. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.